uh, have engaged in what I call game plan. Okay? And this is not a game. You would think that this would have grown old by now, but I guess some things never change.
And the good judge is kind enough to join me now live from Orlando. Nice to see you again, Judge. You and I spent many a day together and many a lunch hour together in that restaurant across from the courthouse. How are you doing?
Fine. How you been doing? I'm glad to be on your show today.
Well, speaking of shows, I remember saying to myself as I watched you on the bench every day, this guy should be on TV. And it turns out that may be exactly where you're headed. What do you have coming up?
Well, I have two good people, Jim Lickenstein and Mark Aiken, who are shopping to see if there's some interest in doing a show. I would love to do a show. I think a show with me on it would provide two things. It would provide entertainment and would also provide education on the law. I think there is always a need for folks to know about the law and to be entertained. Make it fun.
I hear you. Well, you're the guy to do it. I was entertained every day in that courthouse. Even though this was a murder trial I was covering, I couldn't believe you had just such a wonderful, folksy way of dealing with what was really awful stuff and also annoying stuff going on. Let me ask you a little bit about that moment that you read that verdict before the rest of us all got to hear that verdict. First thing that went through your mind?
Well, the first thing, I wanted to be sure what I was reading was what I was reading. And as I said, I was shocked. I was surprised. But I knew that could be a possibility, like in all cases, that a jury can view things totally different than what non-participants can view a trial. What you have to realize is that people take sides, they listen to things that don't come into evidence, and they look at things through a different lens, a different filter. And evidently the jury did that. And they made a decision based upon their view of the evidence.
Let me ask you this. I know that it was a massive frustration for you, the extraordinary media attention on your case. I know you had to readjust a lot of issues with how to release jurors' names because of the media attention. Do you have anything you can tell me as to why there is this immense, insatiable thirst for coverage of cases of people like Casey and Jodi Arias and Amanda Knox, and the list goes on? You're from the bench. Why do you think this is happening?
Well, we have, number one, a 24-hour news cycle. Number two, whether we like it or not, court proceedings now begin to dominate our lives. We are a nation built upon the rule of law, and with access to courtrooms by cameras, it has basically fueled the thirst for coverage, and people like to see its democracy in action.